Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of WordPress that's often misunderstood, but can make a huge difference to your website's clarity and visibility: WordPress slugs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what slugs are, why they matter so much for SEO and user experience, and how to confidently edit them for your posts, pages, categories, and tags. Whether you're brand new to WordPress or looking to polish your site's URLs, this guide will help you create cleaner, more effective links. Let's start with the basics. In WordPress, a slug is simply the part of your URL that comes after your domain name, describing a specific page or post. For example, if your homepage is example.com, then a blog post titled "My First WordPress Tutorial" might have a slug like "My First WordPress Tutorial," making the full URL example.com/myfirstwordpresstutorial. Slugs are designed to be human-readable, meaning anyone can glance at the link and instantly know what to expect before even clicking. And here why that matters. Search engines like Google use slugs to determine what your content is about, so a clear, meaningful slug can absolutely boost your SEO. Plus, users feel more confident clicking links that look tidy and descriptive. It's just a better experience all around. Now, you might notice that WordPress automatically generates slugs for you based on your post or page title. But to truly optimize them, it's important to manually review and tweak slugs for clarity and focus. This extra step helps strip out unnecessary words and ensures your URL remains short, memorable, and relevant. Don't worry if this feels new, I'll walk you through the editing process step by step. Let's jump into editing a post or page slug. First, open your post or page using the block editor. This is WordPress's modern editing screen, and it's where you make all your content changes. On the right-hand side, you'll see a sidebar. Make sure you've selected the Page or Post tab, depending on what you're editing. Scroll down just a little until you reach the Summary section. Inside, you'll see a field labeled URL. Click directly on your current URL there, and it will reveal the URL slug text box. This is where you type your optimized version. Remember, it's best to use only lowercase letters and hyphens to separate words, no spaces, capitals, or special characters. So if your original slug is cluttered with extra words or numbers, just simplify it. For example, the best ways to learn WordPress in 2026 is much clearer than something vague like Post 123. Once you're happy, click Update, and WordPress will save your changes instantly. If you need to change slugs for categories or tags, maybe you're tidying up your blog organization or refining your SEO strategy, the process is just as straightforward. From the dashboard, navigate to Posts and then choose either categories or tags. You'll see a list of your existing items. Hover your mouse over the one you want to edit and click the Edit link that appears. On the editing screen, you'll find another slug field. You can update the text here again, stick to lowercase and hyphens, and when you're done, just click Update to lock in your changes. Categories and tag slugs are especially useful for grouping similar posts and helping your readers and search engines understand your site structure. So that's the full rundown on WordPress slugs, what they are, why they matter, and how to make yours work smarter for your site. It might take a few tries to get the hang of writing concise, descriptive slugs, but stick with it. Your readers and your rankings will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about slugs or anything else WordPress. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials to help you master your website. Until next time.